everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you along with me as we go to IKEA. I haven't been in a long time, so this is going to be fun. Stay tuned to the end of this video and I'm going to do a haul and show you exactly what I bought on my trip. So let's go. I really like this U-shaped sofa. I love the color of it. I'm not sure how big our living room will be when we move, but this is something I really like. I love these chairs and they're Brian approved. They sell for $2.49, which is not bad, and come in some beautiful colors. And here are the colors. It comes in a herringbone and the gold. Those two are my favorite. And then it also comes in gray and a green velvet. Here is the closet of my dreams. It's just so beautiful. Hey everybody. Yay, here are the champagne glasses I was looking for. look at all these colorful rugs. I just love all the colors. And we end our tour with the candy, all the Swedish candies. And yes, I'm buying some candy. Okay, now for the fun stuff. Let me show you what I purchased. I have my receipt here so I can remember. Now, I'm not showing you everything we bought, but the cool stuff, I guess, that I bought on my trip. So, and not so cool stuff, but things I wanted to show you. Let me move these things around. First, I bought one of these tops for the microwave. My mother-in-law has one. And you just, when you put your plate in the microwave, you can set this on top. It's got little vent holes. So, yeah. How much did I pay for this? Let's see if I can figure it out. Let's see. I have no idea. I don't know what this is called. Oh, here it is. $1.29. It's not bad, is it? $1.29 for this. I didn't spend a lot of money today. I did not, but oops. Okay. This was the main thing I wanted. I'll show you this next. I showed you the champagne glasses in the shopping portion. I got a set of 4. Now, these I saw in somebody else's video that they're new, and so I wanted to grab them because I don't know, when I saw the pictures of them that IKEA has on their website, they show one where they have like little berries or something served in it. Is this not, oh, this is just so pretty. It's glass, it's not crystal, but oh, these are just, I love the shape. They are for champagne. But I love these. So I purchased a set of 4. We're going to go back to IKEA the 1st of July. I think I might buy another box of 4 if they have them. Hopefully they do. And then that'll give me 8. I think that's a good number to have. I bought just one box. I don't know why I bought one box. Why I didn't buy 2 boxes. But I don't know. I guess I thought I'd be buying a lot more. And as you wind through IKEA, it's not easy just to run back and pick something else up, or you know. So if they're there, I will buy another set. They were $12.99 for these. They're called, don't even go there. Patricia, you can't even speak English. Don't try to speak Swedish. Okay, next. I got these little dish cloths. I got them with a blue stripe. Let's open it up and look at it. I haven't even opened it up and looked at it. Oh yeah, these are nice. These are nice. I got blue and then I got the red stripe. My kitchen, when I move, I want my colors to be red and like teal, light teal, sort of like Tiffany blue, but more of a teal, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's the color scheme I want. So I picked these up mainly because they were cheap. How much were these? They were really cheap. Let's see. They were 79 cents a piece. And I bought them thinking I can craft with them. I can make something for the kitchen with them for that price. And I think when I go back, I might pick up a few more for that price. And then I might use some as towels. They feel very nice. They're not bad at all. And then I might just come up with some craft idea, something to use in the kitchen. But yeah, I like these. So 79 cents a piece, not bad. Not bad. Then I got a dish drying rack. Hand wash a lot. Well, I don't have a dishwasher. There's no room in my kitchen for a dishwasher. So I do not have a dishwasher. I hand wash everything. So I got this drying mat. I have two others. I think this one's actually nicer than the ones I pick up at Walmart. Let me see how much this was. $1.99. $1.99. Maybe I should purchase another one of these to have since I go through them. I don't know. I think maybe I have two, and then this one, I think I've got my bases covered because I threw them in the wash. So yeah, and this one is like cushiony padded. I think my other two are too, but not as nice as this. And I bet I paid about the same amount, or maybe a little more for the ones I pick up at Walmart. So yeah, that's nice. I like that. You see, I did not. $12.99 was the most I spent on an item, and that was the 4 champagne glasses. Everything else was $1.99 or less. Next, I got a wooden spatula. I have been thinking about these. I got the last one of these they had that I could see, and I meant to pick up some wooden spoons, but I will look for wooden spoons when I go back. But I did want to pick up this wooden spatula. Let's see if I can figure out the price of it. It's a wok turner, $1.99. $1.99. I'm going to use it like a spatula. I do have a wok. I could use it with my wok. Next, I bought candles, and I know the price of these. These were $1.49 each, and this one has a picture of berries on it. See, it doesn't give me the scent. It says made in Poland. I'm going to open this up. Let's see. Pull the tape back. It smells really nice. I'm not sure what berry I'm smelling. I purchased this. I've never purchased IKEA candles, so I wanted to see, one, how well they burn, how they smell, but I bought them for the glass containers, which I will keep. But there was one that had a pineapple, a picture of a pineapple on it. I think I'm going to pick up more candles when I go back. But yeah, there's that one. And I'll let you know in my empties how well these did. And this one, I just see some green leaves. So I have no idea. I didn't even smell these in the store. Like I said, picked them up. Whoops. Picked them up for the color of the glass. Okay, this smells straight up like a plant. But, okay, I know this might sound a little weird. I used to work at a funeral home. I don't know if you knew that. I was the weekend secretary for a funeral home. And this smells like funeral flowers. It's giving me that kind of vibe. But more just the greenery part. But it's not like carnation funeral flowers. It's when I smell it, I think of the funeral. But I wouldn't, I mean, that's just the scent, the memory it triggers for me. So, but yeah, it smells good. I actually like the scent of that. So we'll try those out. Then I go through these like crazy. Tea lights. Just the plain unscented tea lights. I got a pack of 100. Let's see, $3.49. $3.49 for these. Not bad, not bad. And then those should last me a while. Last thing I got was a storage container with the lid. I hope you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. I purchased this storage container to put all of my craft jewels in my tools, because I have them in little containers here and there, and I'll use little containers and put it in the big container and keep it self-contained. And so how much, I know what I paid for it, I don't have to look it up. It was $1.99 for the bottom and $1.99 for the top, so it'd be $4 total. So that's it. That's everything I purchased this round at IKEA. Like I said, we're planning another trip. I will take you guys along and I will do another haul video. Maybe I'll buy some more things. But guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And again, thanks for watching. See you next time.